Skoda is set to launch the redesigned 2025 Enyaq and Enyaq Coupe, the first major changes to its electric SUV lineup since its launch 4 years ago. The Enyaq lineup, which was designed as Skoda's counterpart to Volkswagen's ID.4 and ID.5, has been the cornerstone of the company's electric car portfolio. The upgraded models, which include new design components and aerodynamic improvements, aim to refine the Enyaq's appeal. The 2025 Enyaq and Enyaq Coupe feature Skoda's new, modern solid, design concept, which debuted in the Skoda Elroq. One notable element is the LED, tech deck, front face, which replaces the classic Skoda grille. This new design features a split headlight system with a sleek upper part that extends into the wings. The Skoda Enyaq Coupe comes with a fully digital cockpit that includes an intuitive infotainment system and a customizable driver display. The centerpiece is the large 13-inch touchscreen, which runs Skoda's latest infotainment software, allowing for easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system is responsive, with a clean, user-friendly interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, allowing seamless integration with smartphone. Additionally, the Enyaq Coupe comes equipped with an advanced navigation system, offering real-time traffic updates and a route planner that optimizes energy consumption based on charging station availability. The 2025 Skoda Enyaq Coupe offers multiple powertrain configurations, catering to a variety of driving preferences. The base model of the Enyaq Coupe features a rear-wheel drive configuration, powered by a single electric motor located at the rear axle. This motor produces around 180 kilowatts, about 242 horsepower, providing brisk acceleration and a driving range of over 500 kilometers on a full charge. This variant is ideal for those looking for a more balanced performance profile, offering smooth and engaging driving dynamics. For those seeking more performance, the Enyaq Coupe can also be equipped with an all-wheel drive system. This version features dual electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear, producing up to 220 kilowatts, about 295 horsepower. With this configuration, the Enyaq Coupe accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 6 seconds, making it a quick and thrilling ride. The Skoda Enyaq Coupe is packed with cutting-edge technology designed to enhance the driving experience and provide a more sustainable, efficient vehicle. The Enyaq Coupe supports ultra-fast charging, with the ability to charge from 10% to 80% in just 35 minutes when using a DC fast charger. The vehicle also features an 11 kilowatts onboard charger for AC charging, allowing it to be fully charged at home in around 8 hours. The 2025 Enyaq Coupe comes equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and emergency braking. These systems work together to enhance safety and convenience on long journeys. While full autonomous driving is not yet available, the Enyaq Coupe offers Level 2 semi-autonomous capabilities, including hands-free highway driving, adaptive cruise control, and lane centering.